The scope of a variable is the part of the program where the variable is accessible. In our main method here, first name and temp name are both defined inside of the main method, so it can only be used there. The scope of temp name and first name is the main method. If I try to access first name or temp name inside of another method, I'll receive an error that the variable cannot be resolved. The format name method does not see the temp name variable because they are in different methods. The temp name variable only exists inside of the main method. The variable formatted name is in the format name method, and it's created inside of this method. When the method ends, the variable reference goes away, and there's no way to access the variable formatted name any longer. Since the main method and the other methods are separate, the way I get information from one method to another is through using a parameter. The parameter will take the local variable and pass the value over to the method. Then I can use the value inside of the method. If I need to pass something from one method to another, I can also use the return type to pass that value back to another method. Since I need the content from the formatted name variable, I use a string as my return type to return the value that is in formatted name into a variable inside of my main method. Local variables don't exist after the method's execution is over. If I don't capture my return, then I've lost all the work the method did. There is one further level at which variables can be declared. These are called class variables. They are variables declared outside of any method but within the class, and they exist for all methods in the class. Their basic declaration is the same as with any variable. However, like methods, they will have an access modifier. We can use class variables in any methods that are within the class. We will work more with creating class variables when we start creating our own objects.